Good day everybody, today we got this car, REXTON 2007. Let's review this car, show you everything in here, outside and inside. The car is in a very good condition. Let's check it out. There's no rust in the car. Very powerful car. Let's take the doors as well. Here we go. This door. Oh, there's a little bit of rust at the bottom here, if you can see it. But everything else is clean. Check this door as well. Let's go check the other side. Some rust here as well. Just a little bit. But here is clean. Let's check this door. Right, looks very clean. Let's go to the trunk. Here I open the trunk. I don't know what are these tools, but yeah, it's pretty. Let me see, but no rust. Check the edges, very clean, no cuttings. Plenty of space in here. Go check the engine. Okay, here I open the engine room. So far the engine sounds good and normal. Everything looks good and normal. The oil here. Yep, that's all. Okay, good day everybody. Now we're inside the car, this REXTON. Let's start the engine. Put the key on. As you can see here, lights are on. Let's switch on the car. Okay, lights are gone, so it looks like there's no problem in the engine. Nothing's showing up here. Let's try to accelerate and listen to the engine sound. Okay, 1, 2, 3. The engine sounds very good, very normal, and the RPMs are going up very smoothly. One more time. Perfect, and you can see the mileage is also very good. We got here windows control, seat control. It's for the mirrors. Let's try the windows. Okay, windows work perfectly. Mirrors as well. Mirrors works just fine. Let's try the other side. Perfect. This one too, you can control it. This one too. Seats here are very clean, as you can see. See this one too. The car is in a very good condition actually. And we got here controls for the sound and radio and calls. And let's check out here. got the radio maybe. Radio touch screen.
그런데 이 남성 돌연 차에서 내려 신나게 춤을 춥니다. 그리고 다시 운전대를 잡았는데요. 어이없는 상황을 연출한 이 남성 결국 법정에 섰습니다.
Awesome. Okay, the radio works perfectly. Let's try to put it on reverse. Like, I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a camera. It's not really clear, but there's a rear camera. I don't think you can see it on the video here, but there is a camera. Okay, let's try the AC. Shut the lowest. AC on. Okay, you can feel the wind coming out from here. As well, it's blowing perfectly. The AC works perfectly as well. We got a sunroof in here. You can control it from this button. You can open it as well with one button. Perfect. So yep, that should be everything here. Got these. Yep. Thanks for watching here. That's all inside the REXTON.
Esta es Busyman.KR, empresa comercializadora de automóviles usados. Vendemos autos a bajo precio y los enviamos al puerto donde lo desee. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Contáctanos por nuestro sitio web o por WhatsApp Messenger. Buen auto y buen precio. Busyman.KR. El número de teléfono celular es +8210 7353 2398.
Ending the review here of this REXTON 2007. As you've seen in the video, the car is in a very good condition. It has a sunroof. The engine sounds really good and powerful. Interior is very clean and good. So if you're interested in this car, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.
Si está interesado en este automóvil, contáctenos. El sitio web es Busyman.KR. El número de teléfono es +8210 7353 2398. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Si subo otro video, te lo haré saber. Gracias.